Hello guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how to install and update Intel HD graphics for Windows 10. For installing Intel HD graphics, you have to open a new tab at any browser. Then you have to search Intel HD graphics driver for Windows 10. If your Windows is 64-bit, you have to write 64-bit, or if your Windows is 32-bit, you have to search Intel HD graphics for 32-bit. Then download, accept the license agreement. Wait a few seconds. After download, click that folder button, show in folder, then right click on that application, search run as administrator option. Now you're seeing that it is loading. Then you have to click next. If step 1 is not work, this computer does not meet the minimum requirements for installing the software, then you have to go the second step. Click the this PC option, right click on it, then click manage option. After that, maximize the window, select device manager, then expand display adapter, right click on it in update driver. Then you have to browse my computer for drivers, let me pick, then you have to select this driver and next. After a few seconds, the driver will be updated or installed. Windows has successfully updated your drivers. If second step is not work, you have to go the third step. Similarly, you have to go this PC option, then manage, then source device manager. After maximizing the window, select display adapter, right click on it, right click on update driver, select browse my computer and click browse. Then you have to select the where graphics driver extracted or download, click downloads, then OK, then next. I hope your driver will be installed successfully. So that's all. Thanks for watching.